everyone, so I won this giveaway from Amanda on TikTok, and I'll leave her link down below so you guys can check her out. Let's see what I got. So the first thing I pull out is this hand sanitizer set. This is cute. Definitely going to be sharing with my daughter. Next is this little planner that says "You're tougher than your toughest days." The inside of it looks like this. Really cute. Next is this Too Faced Born This Way Super Glow. Next are these little earrings, and then a bronzer from Too Faced, and then a little pocket mirror. Next are these little slippers. They have little hearts on them, super cute. Next up is this really pretty blush. Next is this really pretty set of nails. They're not going to fit me, so I will have to see who I can gift them to. The last item is this water bottle. Cute. Thank you so much, Amanda. I will leave her information down below. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.